Alright, continuing from where we left off. I got about 5 packs left after this one. In the last video, pulled a Constellar Omega. Buffalo. Do a recap this video. Burner, Altitude Night, Lightning, Runix, Mind Drain, XYZ Revenge, Shark Fortress. Oh, last 3 packs. Runix. Number 69. Heraldry Crest, Fire Formation, Goyoku, Shark Fortress, alright, Go Gigas, Constellar Omega. Wow, got both Omegas, that's awesome. What are the odds? Last but not least, the very last pack. Actually, that's pretty cool. Got the Omegas. Burner. Blaster. Wow, got 1 Blaster. Stream. Got 1 Stream. So, let's see what we got here. I'll do a recap of all the babies and whatnot. Omega. Got some Mind Drains. Lightning. Burner. Omega. Fruitcake. Reactin. What else is here? Oh, Madolce Knights, Redox, oops, Gauntlet Launcher, wow, good job. Alright. Burner. Tempest. Reactin. Reactin. Tachyon, Torrential Reborn, Stream, Lightning, Burner, alright, got Torrential Reborn, Secret, Evil Swarm, Tachyon, Super, number 105 Battling Boxer, Star Cestus, Super, Gauntlet Launcher Ultra, Madolche Knights, Super, Madolche Hootcake, Super, Constellar Omega, Ulti, Fire Formation Goyoku, Super, and Constellar Omega, Ultra. And now for these, I have a Burner, Lightning, Stream, Reacting, Tempest, Burner, Redox, Reacting, Burner, Lightning, Stream, Blaster, and Burner. So as you can see, I have 2 Stream, 2 Lightning, 2 Burner, 4 Burner, 4 Reacted, and 1 Blaster, 1 Redox, and 1 Tempest. Thank you for watching. Rate, subscribe, and comment.